Sometimes you'll want to cut thin strips of wood on your table saw, let's say 1/4 inch. And the easiest way to do that may be to set your fence 1/4 inch from the blade and make the cut like any other rip. In that case, I would use a wooden push block like this and let the blade cut right into the bottom so I can safely clear the strip past the blade at the end of the cut. But if you need a strip that's narrower than 1/4 inch, this method gets a little iffy because really narrow strips are more likely to get caught between the blade and the fence and shoot back at you. So I prefer to let the strip fall on the other side of the blade. But this presents a problem when you need several strips of exactly the same width, because with each strip you cut away, your workpiece gets narrower. So you'd have to move your fence the width of the strip plus the thickness of your blade, and that can lead to errors. The solution is to get your featherboard back out. Line up your cut for your first strip, but before you make the cut, lock your featherboard in place with its backside, not the flexible fingers, the back against the edge of your board. Now as your board gets narrower with each strip you cut, you can quickly and accurately reset your fence using the featherboard as a positive stop. One final thing about cutting thin strips. If your table saw's throat insert has open space beside the blade, the strip may fall down inside there. A quick way to fix this without making a whole new insert is to place a strip of blue tape on either side of the blade to temporarily close up that gap. MyWoodcutters.com is the sort of small business I like to support. Stefan is a great guy, and he can find you knives and cutters for almost any joiner, planer, shaper, or molding machine. And his are the best prices if you're planning to upgrade to a helical carbide cutter head. Please use the link below this video to check with him before you buy somewhere else. Some small businesses are just worth supporting. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.